Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn about the modal verb would for polite requests and offers. Would makes our speech sound very courteous and respectful when asking for help or offering something to others. Would is a special helping verb used for polite communication. It softens requests and offers to sound more courteous. The two main uses are polite requests and polite offers. For polite requests, use would plus you plus the base form of the verb with a question mark, like would you help me? For polite offers, use would you like plus a noun, like would you like tea? Would you open the door shows a simple, everyday request for help. Would you call back later asks politely for someone to phone at a different time. These sound much nicer than direct commands. Would you like some tea offers someone a hot drink politely. Would you like help with that offers assistance with something heavy or difficult. These show care for other people's needs. Would you mind closing the window asks politely about something slightly formal. Would you like a cookie offers food in a casual, friendly way. Both work perfectly in daily conversations. When someone agrees to a request, say yes, of course. When accepting an offer happily, say I would love to. These positive responses match the polite tone of would perfectly. Always add please after would requests for extra politeness. Like would you please help? Use a soft voice and smile to make would sound even more courteous and friendly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.